Hello, and I will solve Leetcode number 102, binary level order traversal. Basically, I'm going tree, saying each level, right? If I'm saying tree, I'm a tree, right? I'm a binary tree, 9, 20, 15, and a 7, right? Well, am I tree? Say level order traversal, right? Into level your record values now level na your recording go your friends say in create array into we say never 3, right? Now we say no I 9 20. Now we na 15 and 7, right? So 3 9 20 15 7. So now we say you're recording. If you also make my say we are recording say, right? Like 20 way, like where the but where your man can order nibia, but basically anyway we say when no the BFS is the simplest a modified breadth-first search, right? Yeah, well, DFS and a BFS, right? BFS and say yes you traverse it through level by level, and DFS no there oba no be fiase no na if you want ma me ya no ma start you say right, and the start fiase, but that is not what we are doing here. But we issue BFS and you issue Qs, right? Into yeah level of where no I record array now that all one of our no record array no of basically that is a question, right? And unim breadth-first search if we read a little bit about breadth-first search algorithm I to solve something like this. But breadth-first search we come as can say level order traversal, right? Into level order traversal no your algorithm I to level order traversal. So and one am I retro I say into yanko shade we ever solve. First of all, say any tree we just return 9, right? So if not root, we will return 9, right? The results you'll see a store array, right? And you will create Q. You should BFS Q you use in Q no the Q. The root in a shame, right? Until while there is still while I never goes to Q anymore. Level size. Level size. A empty array. Into 4. Crash in range length of array. Length of Q. Right? See no Q no the length. Because you see the root in a shape, right? The root a shape root a length a 1 per into for that range of 1 you perform a DFS function, right? Near the good array. But you perform DFS no when the left anywhere the right and you assign the back Q no into by that time I best have be na Q na 2, right? Into the no for another 2 into yan corner okay, into for that no node no we go to q dot pop left, okay, to pop left say node no say left node and a right node if node dot left right the back q no right and if node no right node and so the writer the q dot append node dot right into ya for root no left no right into ya no beka q no right into no one ya wa say if ya na ya the node new value I can't level size no level size we here the back count one na ya just sa confirm say be soon the line but in this case a root near the actual first into root number 1 ye wie no na ya ba level has it right into and I'm going to nanga side no any last part I dey back one say after e be loop through we no results no the yenya was our level size and the numbers no near the account and you are near returning results. Okay, basically let me see and if I'm missing the idea. This is taking too long. I checked the root. I think I'm missing baby. So if not roots length of q node node if node dot left q dot append node dot left. Okay, and let me see right and if node dot right q dot append node dot right blah blah blah. All right, into C and yes, so level order traversal. Pretty simple approach, right? Into no. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe. Bye. Bye bye.